So at ProcessMaker, we offer a platform, and that's for builders, but we also offer solutions. So we've built some very specific solutions ourselves, which we take to market in very select and very few markets. But to give you an example of some of the solutions we've built, we have a practice in banking. So we have built a number of applications for community banking, specifically commercial account opening. We've built a best-in-breed end-to-end solution for commercial account opening. And treasury services, so the management and delivery of treasury services for community banks is something that tends to be very complex, long-running, sometimes paper or Excel driven, and we've automated that end-to-end and incorporated other services into the solution that you would expect to find. In higher education, we're delivering a number of very, very specific applications, and in manufacturing, we're also delivering very specific applications. So we intend to deliver very specific applications ourselves to a limited set of markets and partner with partners who want to go after other markets.